The iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. I'm so excited to have my hands on it. Today we're gonna unbox it together and I'm gonna share with you my first impressions and thoughts. So let's get right into it. There are tons of cool new features like camera control and the ability to shoot 4K at 120. There's new photographic styles and we can capture spatial photos and videos so we can relive those moments on Apple Vision Pro. I currently use the 15 Pro Max and I'm upgrading to the 16 Pro Max. So I'm excited to test out the features and let you guys know what I think. There's so much to talk about, but let's unbox her. Fresh out of the box, these are my initial thoughts. The color is definitely a lot more muted than I would like. I love bright colors like the 16 lineup with the pink and the ultramarine, but you know what? This is classic. You'll never get sick of it. You want to be able to have this device for multiple years on end. So great color, Desert Titanium, not too flashy, classy, classic, and honestly, rocking it without a case or just with a clear case would be ideal because it still is a really nice color. It's definitely giving the gold iPhone 12 vibes where it's more like metallic around the edges here. And obviously no fingerprints on the back glass. Not much at all on the sides either. Although the phone feels like the same size as the 15 Pro Max in my hand, the screen is definitely bigger. The 15 Pro Max has a 6.7 inch display and the 16 Pro Max has a 6.9 inch display. Looking at them side by side, you definitely notice a difference, but it doesn't feel much bigger in my hand at all, which I like. I'm headed to New York this week and I'm excited to vlog on this and show you guys what that footage looks like. This is a 48 megapixel Fusion camera. It also shoots in 4K at 120 frames per second, which is very impressive. I feel like I could get really cool cinematic shots that will really elevate my video just with this device. Apple also introduced spatial audio. We have 4 audio mics, so after we film a video, you can go into the spatial audio settings and change the settings so that it sounds more like a professional video. I feel like we have to try it out. Let's do a little demo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out the new spatial audio feature. We got a little selfie action going. So here's my video that I shot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out the new spatial audio feature. So you do hear a little bit of like the air conditioning in the background. So let's click on in frame. There's different features like in frame, studio, and cinematic that you can change to enhance your voice and make it sound really crisp and clear.
Let's test them all out, starting with studio.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out the new spatial audio feature. This device actually has 4 audio mics, so spatial audio is gonna be amazing. I'm always shooting in diverse environments. Like right now I'm at a studio and it's really loud next door, so I feel like it would be really useful if I'm vlogging or filming on my 16 Pro Max that I can use the spatial audio to enhance my voice, take out background noise, and do everything right from my phone and not have to go into another program after to clear up the sound of my voice. Like I said, the back of this is too pretty to cover with a case, but I got the Apple clear case. So let's unbox that. I like how the buttons of the case pop out. If you guys remember my video last year, I did not like when phone case companies make it like an indent because it's hard to press, especially with long nails. And that would be so hard with the camera control button if it kind of like indented in. So I like how this is nice and flush. Camera control. We snap to take a photo. You hold down to record instantly. You double tap to switch between exposure, depth, zoom, camera, styles, and tone. And then you just click on any of those, same, click on tone, and I just swipe like this to easily change it. I feel like when I first tried this out at Apple Park, it kind of took me a few minutes to get used to it, how hard I have to press, or like how much pressure I have to press on the button. Once you get used to it, it's pretty simple. I also initially thought it was a little difficult to do it with one hand and just swipe through, but now that I'm trying it out, it's a lot easier. But of course, I feel like it was made for taking photographs like this. So there's new photographic styles and tones where you can adjust the undertone of your skin. So let's try that. Let's take a quick selfie and see what it looks like. So right off the bat, I feel like this photo came out really good. I definitely think it's a little warmer on my skin. So let's swipe through and see. We got vibrant, natural, luminous, dramatic, quiet, cozy, ethereal, muted black and white, and dark black and white. Okay, and then at the left side we have cool rose, neutral, rose gold, gold, and amber. Ooh, the amber filter looks really good on me. So if we click that, click into amber, we have this whole new grid. So we can slide around and see what looks good. I feel like if I go up higher there and pull down the slider, I feel like that looks really nice and flattering on my skin tone. Ooh, okay, done. We can also change them from the camera control. I like amber, that one's my favorite. Okay, and then we're gonna take a quick photo. Okay, amber and gold, these look good. This is actually pretty good. If you're taking selfies, you can just like scroll through the different settings depending on the light and see which one is your favorite. Okay, I'm really happy with this. Also, if you zoom in on the photo, of course, I love that there's so much detail, but also makes my skin look good. Looks really nice and true to life. The true tone is really looking good on this. And this photo is also backlit, but I think it does a really good job at still giving me all those nice details, like even in my necklace that looks so crisp. And selfie quality on this got my approval. All right, I just took a selfie on my 15 Pro Max and on my 16 Pro Max. And there's definitely a difference, definitely a difference. No filters on either of them, but I feel like this 16 Pro Max is just way more of what I look like in real life. Like, I feel like I look better in it, but also my skin tone is definitely more tanned and golden, whereas on my 15 Pro Max, it like brings out the pink hues in my neck and in my cheeks. I know a lot of people on TikTok don't like how their selfies turn out on the 15 Pro Max. So if that's you and you want to upgrade, I mean, this has been my first try and I'm very much impressed. I'm eager to try out visual intelligence and use Siri more because now she can talk to you like a regular person. You can also type to talk to Siri. I know this video is short and sweet, but I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna film a full camera control video now. So if you wanna watch that, click here. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Bye.